back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an influencer unboxing video. I'm going to be showing you guys the new elf things that I got in my box today. And usually on my influencer unboxing videos, I usually do not try the products on the video. I just show you guys what I got. But for this one, I'm actually going to show you guys what I got. So I didn't do my makeup today. So this is supposed to be the new elf concealers because it's Camouflage, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and get into it. And if you don't really know anything about Influenster, they basically have this site where you can sign up and get products for free. They have a wide range of products from a lot of known brands, Elf, Pantene, just any makeup and hair and brand that you can think of. They have a lot of ones. They have woman products, they have men products, they have baby products, they also have pet products, which is really cool. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box so any of you guys want to know a little bit of information about Influencer and how you can also get a free box of makeup and other beauty items. So let's go ahead and get to this video. And usually on my Influencer unboxing videos, I usually don't show you guys how I use the products. I usually just show you guys what I got. But this time I'm going to show you guys what I got. So let's go ahead and get to it. So here's the box. I'm going to show you guys what I got inside. I'm so happy because I actually haven't got an Influencer box in a while. And I was like, what the heck is wrong? And then I got the email and for me to pick my shades. So it's like, hey, I'm about to get one. So this is a cute little box here, and always on the box they always have, you get the app, discover, review, and share. This is what you have to do when you have your influencer box. You usually get it and let them know that you got it and leave a review, an honest review, and then you just share it on your social medias and stuff. So this is the box, which is really cute. And you get a little card here that says Elf Influencer, and it talks about the 16-hour Camo concealer, because 16 hours of concealer, honey, that's a lot, because, some, I don't know, people even wear makeup that long, I don't know, but that's pretty cool. And they have all of these wide range of colors, shades, and then they have why we love it and how to get started in Influencer right here. So they love it because it's long wear, 16-hour power, it has a large applicator, helps with application and maximum coverage. In addition, the versatility of the wand allows you to do scope, contour, and highlight. The formula, the intense pigmentation is full coverage but won't settle into fine lines, courtesy of its oil balancing formula that leaves behind a powder matte finish, which is awesome because no one wants to be out here looking like an oily baby, So that's really cool. So let's get into it. So they have some girls right here from 2 different shades that are showing the product, and then so with this, it gave me 2 concealers to choose from. So definitely this one right here is my shade, but they gave me a lighter one, so I'm trying to see. I could probably still use it and probably mix it together, but this one is definitely my shade. It looks a little light, but it definitely fits me. I'm going to use this just for under my eyes and then to conceal my brows. And you can see the freaking applicator. Look how big. And the thing about me, I always use Elf. Elf is the brand that I literally but I use since the beginning. I've always used their concealers. I'm gonna be using their primer today. A lot of stuff I use from them. So let's get into it. So this is a cute little concealer. This is all that came in there. Just to try the concealers. So I don't want this to get too long. So let's go ahead and try these beautiful. Alright, so I'm gonna open up. Now I'm going to be doing my brows today, and I'm doing a little bit concealer down here because I don't have a lot of dark circles, but I'm just going to put a little bit here to see if it matches, because you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I do not use foundation, and I don't really use concealer, but this one low-key matches me, so I'm going to try it today. And this is how it looks. Girl. I like this. Like, it's simple packaging, but it really looks so cute up there. The applicator, look at that. The applicator is freaking huge. It's freaking huge. It really is. Like, look at that. Alright, so I'm probably gonna use this for under my eyes, and I'm gonna use the other one for the top part. Maybe. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some moisturizer because I just like washed my face.
And stuff. So let's start with this. I put a lot, I put too much, but it's okay. And I usually use, I always use a brush with my moisturizer just because you really never know when your hands are dirty, or, you know, your hands usually kind of soak up the moisturizer. So I just have one dedicated brush that I use for moisturizer. So this is what I'm going to use today, okay? Alright.
And by the way, yes, I do have a shirt on. It's just a tube top, and that's it. So I'm going to do my eyebrows real quick just so you guys can get to the concealer part. This is a creamy concealer, like, it feels good. This might be a lot, but oh well. Wow, I'm so bad at this because I haven't did one of these videos in a long time. I didn't even tell you guys the shades that I got. So this light shade that I'm using is called the Tan Latte, and the darker one is called the Deep Olive. There you go. Okay. This is definitely not a shade that I would go for, but I'm gonna try it anyways. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend it in with one of these. So yeah. Oh, it blends in really good. Oh, I kind of like this. It's a little light, but it seems like a really good concealer. Like, okay, darling. Okay. I didn't even have to have a lot of time to blend it. Like, I just blend it real quick. Now my eyebrows aren't really that good today. I just did it like literally in like 30 seconds, so don't judge me. Yeah. This one is definitely horrible. Alright, so I'm now going to take the Deep Olive and go to around the top of my brows, and then I'm going to use it here. And also these dry pretty quickly, so if I were you, I wouldn't put it on and then like blend everything. I would like put some on, blend that part, put some on, blend that part. So be careful, y'all. You don't want to be sitting here with dry concealer. Ooh. It smells like paint, kind of, sometimes, low-key. So, I'm just gonna do, like, this part.
Doing a lot. So.
Came out using concealer. They actually look really good. Probably maybe blend in a little bit more, but I like them. They look really kind of natural. If you guys agree, I don't know, but now I usually do not use concealer, but I'm gonna try some for under my eyes because why not try something new? So I love this concealer, this face primer from e.l.f. because you literally don't feel anything when you put this on, and it's honestly really good. So if you ever get your hands on this, try it. And I actually got this in one of my influencer unboxing videos, I mean packages, and I still have it. So what does that tell you? It's good. So I'm gonna just put a little bit and dab it on here. Don't really know if this is gonna counteract her creases or anything because I don't really use makeup, but we're gonna see. We're going to see. I literally don't feel like that's so crazy. It's so smooth, but like you don't really feel like that much stuff. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I want to put it on the safe side. So let's do it. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit down here, up here, just to really get all those areas. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the light one, and then I'm gonna put the dark one on top. So I'm gonna do a couple dabs of the light one and then the dark one on top. Okay, don't like jinx me. I don't know, I'm like scared. How do you guys do this? Maybe I should use this. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna use this side. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this, I guess. I wonder if powder would have probably made it like look really good. Well, I'm doing it. I'm gonna do the other one off camera, so I'll be back. You guys, it actually looks really good. This is making me think that like maybe I should like wear some concealer sometimes, because this looks really good. I blended in both of them with a sponge, and I'm just gonna top it with a brush because I don't have a powder, so I'm just gonna tap it with this brush. It's so dense and soft. Like this. Alright, so I'm gonna put on some glitter. So that's pretty much it. Like, it actually looks really good. So it blends in perfect. So maybe both these combined are my actual shade. I don't know, but I actually really like it. So you guys chose the right one. Let's see. And that's pretty much it. This box is pretty cool. It made me kind of jump out my box a little bit and wear concealer, and I mean like all over my face instead of just my brows. So that's pretty cool. If you guys are interested in being an influencer and being able to review these products, make sure you guys tune in and look at my description box because I'm going to be adding the link to try them for free. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you guys have suggestions for other videos, make sure you guys comment that down below, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm so happy that we have 70 subscribers now, which is freaking awesome. I can't wait to get to 100 and 200 and just more than that. So thank you guys that have been on my channel for a while now, and those of you that are new, hello, hi, welcome. So yeah, make sure you guys check me out on my social medias that I also have in the description box, so just check me out. And I absolutely really love this. Like, I'm just a little bit chapped right now, but that's okay. Like, it looks good. Like, oh, you probably then made me change a few things and know I can wear concealer now because you perfectly matched me, honey. But you guys go check out Influenster and go check out e.l.f. and their new Camouflage concealers. And that's it. So yeah, bye guys. This is really honestly, like, I can't even tell that I have concealer on because I don't really usually wear it. But this is pretty awesome. And I have to edit this video and upload it. Mm-hmm.